Hey guys, let us continue with the Inside Current Affairs quiz. We are doing the August month CA MCQs. So we have completed the economy part. We'll begin with the environment. So the first fact is that about NGT, that is National Green Tribunal. It deals with uh, which of the following acts? It deals with Water Act, Forest Conservation Act, Air Act, Environment Act, Public Liability Institution Act, Biological Diversity Act, all these things. But what we have to remember is the exception. But the NGT does not deal with the Wildlife Act and also the Indian Forest Act. So these things are not covered in NGT. And the next fact is about the term which was recently in use, that is Fit for 55 package. So this is a package, it is related to climate change. So by European Union, this is an initiative by European Union to decrease the GHG by 55% by 2030. And the next fact is about a kind of match it. Few of the wildlife sanctuary and their states are given. So Bindavas Wildlife Sanctuary, it is in Haryana, and then Dol Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, it is in Gujarat, and Sultanpur National Park is in Haryana, and Vadhwana Wetland, it is in Gujarat. So these two are in Gujarat, Dol and Vadhwana, and this two, Bindavas and Sultanpur, is in Haryana. And the next one is about the JIO Engineering technique. So certain things like injecting the reflective aerosol, then placing the giant mirror in space, these are the some of the things which can limit the sunlight entering the earth. And the next fact is that it is about Noodles. What is this Noodles? It is a kind of tiny plastic pellet, and it is of the size of a lentil, and it can be used as a raw material in today's plastic also. And if this thing is left exposed in the environment for a long time, it will break into microplastic. And then IMO, Indian Meteorological Organization. So Maritime Organization. This particular thing, it has not deemed it as a hazardous particle still to be regulated under the Dangerous Goods Code. And the next fact is about the olive Ridley turtles. So we all know they are famous in the Odisha coastline, right? So they are found in the warm and tropical waters, majorly in the Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. But they are also present in the Atlantic Ocean, in the warm waters of Atlantic Ocean. And we have to remember this term, Aribada. It is a kind of unique mass nesting. Thousands of turtles will come and breed in the coastline of Odisha, which is called Aribada process. It happens in Odisha. And then NTCA, so National Tiger Conservation Authority. So it is a kind of statutory body under the Ministry of Environment, and this is within the ambit of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. And this particular NTCA authority will accord approval for new tiger reserve. And the next fact is about the bird migration. So birds, they navigate using the celestial cues like from sun, star, magnetic field, Earth's magnetic field, and then mental maps. These are things which help them to migrate. And the next fact is that Arctic tern. So this particular thing, it holds the long distance migration record of birds. And the next news is about the fact is ICG, that is Indian Coastal Guard. They conducted operation called Operation Olivia. It is happening since 1980s. This is to protect the olive Ridley turtle. We already saw about this earlier, right? Along the Odisha coastline for breeding and nesting, it has to be given protection, and for which round the clock surveillance will be done by them during this Operation Olivia. And the next fact is that it is about gas hydrate. So like ice crystalline mineral, so this is a kind of ice like crystalline mineral, gas hydrate, when the lower molecular weight gases like carbon dioxide, methane and ethane, when it combines with the water and freezes into solid under the low temperature and moderate pressure, this particular gas hydrates are formed. So after decomposition, the gas hydrate, it releases methane. So this methane, if it is given a high pressure, the high pressurized methane, if it is released suddenly in the ocean, it might even lead to submarine landslide and the tsunami.